So in this video we are going to design this banner, or we can say a post for our social media platforms, and you just have to watch full video, then you can able to create this type of post or banner. So all the images which I will use in this video, all the images you can download them. It's all free, link in the description below. You can download them all. And if you enjoy this video, so please like this video and also subscribe this channel. So let's start. So guys, here we are in Photoshop. Now let's go to file and click on new for new project. Now give here the name. I will give here post design by Sarib with 1080, height 1080, make sure it's pixels, resolution 300, color mode RGB color. Now click on create button. Now we have a nice size. First of all, we have to give here our images, and as you know, I have shared the same images. You can download them all. It's free, link in the description below. So this is our first image. Now second image will be this is a kitchen, and now drag this layer below this image layer, and here we have to remove this background, white background from this image. So press Ctrl Z and select this magic wand tool. Now click and hold shift, again click. Now we have selected white background. Now right click on the image and click on this rasterize layer. Now press the delete button from your keyboard, it's removed. Now press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on this thumbnail. Now go to select and click on modify, click on contract and give here 1 and hit OK. Now press Ctrl J again and delete the older layer. And now let's put here another image. Now click on this mask layer and now select brush tool, press B for selecting brush tool, right click. Now you can choose your size, and now if your mask is white, so then you will have to select the black color. You can swipe the black color like this and just brush here. So basically you are erasing this image. And now we just wanted this wooden image like this table product image, and right click on it, click on convert to smart object. Now drag this layer all above the layers and press Ctrl T and resize it and put it here. Now drag another image, and for this image we have to remove this white background. So select magic wand tool and click, and now press shift and again click here and click here. You have to press shift on your keyboard, then click twice. Now go to select and click on inverse and select your image layer, press Ctrl J. Now delete this older layer. So we have removed the white background. Now right click on it and click on convert to smart object. Now select both layers and press Ctrl T and resize them. And now let's put here our model image. Now select magic wand tool and click on this select subject icon. Now select your image layer, press Ctrl J. Now delete the older layer, and now select the image layer, press Ctrl T and right click on it, click on flip horizontal. Perfect, and put it here. And now you see the watermark. We have to remove that watermark also. So I will remove this in the fast time. So select clone stem tool, press Alt and click, and now like this we can remove the watermark also. So it's look fine to me. And now drag this image layer only below this wooden background table image, like that, below that image, so the image will go behind that table. Now it's time to give here the shadow. So create a new layer and select brush tool, right click and hardness should be 0, and now choose only black color and click. Press Ctrl T, resize it and do like this. Now drag this shadow layer all below the image layer, all below the product image layer. Now press Ctrl Alt and drag your mouse for duplicate. So here it's fine, and now we can give here brightness and contrast effect. Click on this icon. Now select this image layer, go to filter and click on this blur and Gaussian blur. Now give the radius 10 pixels. Hit OK. Now let's just write our text here. So I will copy this text because I have already typed, and as you see the text is not readable because of the background is overlapping. So we have to give something highlight behind this text. So create a new layer, select brush tool, color should be like this, little highlight color, and just brush here. Hardness should be 0 and brush here. Now drag this layer like here above this background layer, and opacity should be little half. Yeah, it's fine. And now take a mask on this layer also and select brush tool and remove here. Now select this layer and press Ctrl T and resize it. Right click on it, click on flip horizontal and just set the layer as you wish. And I will show you my font name. So font name is Garbata. You can download that, it's free. And we have to put it here, the logo. And now just little adjustment of the images. Now take a hue saturation effect on the product image and just change the color like this. And so here is our banner is ready. Now let's save it. Go to file and click on save as and click on this save a copy and choose here PNG or JPEG. So like this we can design this type of post or banner, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, please like this video, also subscribe this channel, and I have also started a new channel for gaming live stream. Please support that, also subscribe that channel also. So I will meet you in the next video. Until take care and thank you so much for watching this video.